everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Today I want to talk about security for our homes. And first thing is, you see these little locks here? These are wonderful, okay? I'll leave a description, or a link in the description box below on where I got these. I got these from Amazon. And these are wonderful for your windows, okay? I even put these on my sliding glass door, and I'll show you how they work. Now, I'll unlock the windows, okay? And with just that little thing right there, I still, and you'll see, because I'm trying to open up my window, I still cannot open that window to save my life, okay? Now, here is the second thing that we have. Now, this goes down in the track, just like that, okay? Now, this makes it, you know, so the sliding glass door can't be opened, okay? Now, I realize that this is obviously a weak point, having a doggy door. But, you know, with having 3 dogs, this is obviously, we had to do this because otherwise opening and shutting the sliding glass door, okay, it's a pain. So, yes, we do have a doggy door. Okay, now this, I bought this on Amazon. I have it here and I have it on the side garage door, which is out in my garage. Hi, Penelope. Yeah. What was mommy doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. This is a security strike plate, okay? Now, obviously, I have a deadbolt here, okay, and I have a little lock right here that's on the handle, okay? But this, you put this in place of your other strike plate, okay? And I know that, you know, security is, you know, especially when it comes to your front door. What? You know, your frame is everything, but it's also the size of the screws that you use, okay? Because generally when you have a strike plate put in, especially if you have your house built, they only use, I think it's like, what are they, 1/2 inch screws? Well, we put in, what were they, 2 inch? I think they were 2. The 2 inch that Sean put back in when he installed this. Now, I'm going to show you, okay, what this actually does. Now, Penelope, don't bark. Okay, now, this is how I open my door when someone knocks on my door, okay? Now, that's all you see. Now, someone can try and break this in. This is going nowhere, okay? Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below on where to get one, okay? Because I did get it at Amazon. It was only $20. Now, it is raining, so this is just going to be very quick. Something else that you're going to want to look into is a camera. Now, this is a hunting camera. I got this at Walmart on clearance for $50. It takes AA batteries, 8 AA batteries, and yes, you do need to get an SD card, okay? But very good investment. I highly suggest you get one of these, okay? Also, these are motion detector lights. I have these all over my property. I have them out front and out back. These are by a company called Mr. Beans. Now, these take, all depending on the size of the ones that you get, 3 or 4 D batteries. You have to come within, I believe it's 20 feet for the motion detector to go off, and it lasts for 30 seconds. Now, we change the batteries like every 6 months, which really isn't that bad, but we do use the better brand of the batteries. The battery brand that I use, I get the Amazon batteries, Amazon brand batteries, and they last just as good as like Duracell or Energizer, okay? Now these are $20 each, or you can get the 2-pack for, I think it's like $35 or something like that. I've gotten them at Walmart, Home Depot, and Lowe's. These are a great investment, especially if you don't want to spend the money to hire an electrician if you don't know how to do it yourself, to run wire and everything else like that. Now I have it here at my front door. I have it, I don't know if you could see down there at the corner. Okay, I have it at every corner around my house. I even have them on trees. So this is like, you know, what we're doing for security. Now, something else that we're doing for security that I just now ordered. It is, excuse me, it is a film that you put over your windows. So if, say, someone were to throw a rock through your window, okay, it stops the shattering. Like your window will, like, it still like shatters, I guess you could say, but the glass won't like come in, and it like stops it, and it's for security reasons. So we're looking into doing that for all of our windows. It does get a little pricey because of my windows, because I have picture windows throughout my entire house, but I think that's going to be a very great investment for me and Sean to do for all of our windows, for security reasons. And not just that, it also stops like UV rays from coming into the house and stuff like that. And you know, it also helped keep our energy costs down for, especially in the summertime, you know, with keeping the AC running constantly all the time. So not only will it help with your security around your house, but it also help with your energy cost. So we're doing that. I just bought a few rolls off of Amazon, so I'll leave the link in the description box below for that as well. So if there's any other things that you guys can think of besides what I've already talked about for security, leave a comment in the comments section. And you know, I already have dogs, so you don't have to touch base on that. And if you want to say, oh, you should get pew pew, weapons and stuff like that, just know, checkmate. Okay, we're good on that. So, but anything else that you could possibly think of that is budget friendly, because we'd like to keep things budget friendly. Okay. Put it in the comments section. If there is a way, because we have been looking for a way to fortify our fence, because we have chain link fence. If there is a way that you can think of to fortify our fence just a little bit better, I would love to hear your opinions. Now, please don't say anything like, dig a trench. Please remember, I have dogs, and they run along the fence line every time they see a squirrel. So let's not go that way, okay? But anything that is budget friendly that you can think of for more security for around everyone's homes that they can do on a dime, leave it in the comment section. That is all for this video. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Real quick, I forgot to add this in. Because we have, hang on, my dogs. Come on, guys, come out into the garage with Mom. Come on, Ridley. Oh gosh, can't go anywhere without these guys. Because of the garage door opener, we have a security feature on here that I always keep on here. Whether I'm home or not, if we go away on vacation, you see this? Even with the remote that we have, you cannot open the garage door from the outside. So that's just a little FYI, okay? Now, we love this garage door opener, okay? So if you have any security features with your garage door opener, make sure you always use them. I know I always do, because I'm home by myself a lot because of Sean's work schedule, and Andrew doesn't live home anymore. So that's just something else that I wanted to share with you that we also have. And we also do have, I don't know if you could see just what that is. This is for the garage door as well. Now this is what is called a hurricane lock. And it goes I'm going to go down. Okay, you see where that plate is right there? That's where it locks down into. And I know my garage door is dirty, but I don't care because it's a garage. So this will hold the garage door down even more, like when a hurricane comes through and stuff like that. And plus that's extra added security, because even if someone were to try and break through that garage door opener, that thing will hold the garage door down completely and no one can lift this thing up. I mean, they would have to seriously be He-Man. Okay, that is all for this video. I swear this time. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.